tu ni hin calendar ana zilote suppose 25th October 2020 chini hi ipi ni hi diham ani ho hi ipi ni diham hi bo no male chi formula ma hi day plus month plus leap year code here plus years plus century code century 0 divided by 7 iti dihin teka naman chi ho ro bo wale 25 plus October chu akot du ju ya chi phamiti ale 0 hin plus 20 chi achaina 2 digit bo he year 2 digit bo he nang ki jang ji de chi ya chu century code ni hong pai mo he so 20 ale 20 years ma fo leap year is at man dire 20 divided by 4 hele 5 ma he leap year to 5 it has year 20 leap year 5 plus century code for 20 century 20 century cho hi ale 6 hi chile divided by 7 gawam le 45 50 56 by 7 56 by 7 to yat hum tile 7 8 or 56 hi na ke divide thei cha de ya cho 0 at the time remainder poi mo he la remainder 0 cho he ale 0 ding ale ipini ham ti cho hisab le 0 to Sunday ding hi so dare nga se ho ku ro yo se che het phan le hong ke he the hi achu le tu ai ku ro che pai mo he ji chana ku chu het ma san nga yi chin ding chana ku chu day code ve ma sau ten aban la mon code divat diu aban le century code ve te day code Sunday Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday and Saturday. See 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 so hele Saturday it's a code eta nale two in one code we out January February March April May June July August September, October, November, and December. Tiute. Chi code he them takhat abai ha dan hi jong le trick divide bo lo ngai. Mon code he January 0 3 3 6 1 4 6 2 5 0 3 5 panin ngai ta chale century code na sei chi kam tele chi bailam ta hin 1900 to 1999 chen hi code hi 0 ale 1999 jo hai 2000 hong le 2000 to 2099 2099 code is 6 again habai pena heading azu chi 19th century 1900 na 1900 cc chi di abana che hele 2000 hesum cc chi na de ji ne chele 21 ang ge pandi hina bani 2100 to 2199 chi hele 4 2200 to 2299 sahi 2 0 6 4 2 chi hung ki repeat pe jeng le tain 2200 jowa 2300 hung phat la hin 0 hai hu bi kid aban le 6 hu kid aban le 4 hu kid aban le 2 hitai si cyclicity che hin random time khat ga ve leo han 12 August 2019 ipini di ham ga ve leo han ani ko 12 date 12 August ko 2 hai la year ko 19 hai plus ji 19 ko 4 la de ke divide ale portion om thei jing chu 4 hin na 16 so de 3 hong wal de in chu ke simta point libya da to century code for 20 je 6 hai ta na ji divided by 7 sila hin le ga le hin 12 19 31 41 to 43 by 43 divided by 7 really to I put silaya hai remainder is an amount ho lo 7 6 are 42 42 home again 42 43 7 6 are 42 na silaya remainder by mo hin remainder pen number of day ko to chani vet ke wale 1 to Monday na so di nam ga check le han le calendar la 2019 August 12 August 12 chi Monday and it's a day